To use the Visual Storyteller feature, go to the Agent section and click on Visual Storyteller. Here you'll be able to see your current plan and usage details. To start creating your video, simply upload the starting frame from your system. Then, upload the ending frame. If you want to generate a video from just the first frame, you can enable the multi-shot mode. Next, select the duration of your video. After that, go to the Element section and choose your desired quality, either standard or professional. Then, click on Sound and enter your prompt. You can also use the prompt agent to enhance your script automatically. If you like the optimized version, click on Apply Optimized Script. Finally, click on Generate, and that's it. Your video will be created in just a few moments.